Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Kogulam Public School, Vattagara. Dear children, good morning. Today's thought: keep your face always towards the sunshine, and shadow will fall behind you. Okay, we can continue our lesson Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Did you remember what did we discuss the previous day? Okay, previous day we discussed then the Versailles Peace Treaty and the birth of Weimar Republic that led to the rise of Hitler and Nazism in Germany. Today I am going to discuss how did the First World War that affect Germany. We already discussed soon after the First World War. The Allied powers, they imposed the Versailles Treaty on Germany that caused for the depletion of the German resources. Listen, and they faced economic troubles in Germany. Then, due to the First World War that affected the entire European continent, and Europe from a continent of creditors, it turned to be as the continent of debtors. And the Weimar Republic, they were forced to pay for the war. Listen, because actually the war was started by the German emperors. But then the Versailles Peace Treaty that was signed by Weimar Republic. And the Weimar Republic, they were forced to pay war compensation and financially crippled Germany. So the conservative nationalists, they turned against the Weimar Republic. Then the supporters of the Weimar Republic, the Democrats, Socialists, they were known as November criminals. Why? Because the Weimar Republic, it was formed in November 1918. And so they were called as the November criminals. And the soldiers from the different areas, listen, they were considered to be as just above the civilian. Listen, soldiers, they came to be placed above civilian. And politicians, they stressed on the need for men to be aggressive, strong and masculine. And what about the life of the soldiers? The soldiers, they led a miserable life and they trapped with the rats feeding on dead bodies or corpses. And they faced poisonous gas. Listen, an enemy shelling and the rank reduced. Then next, so the popular support grew for conservative and led to the dictatorship. Because of this, the Weimar Republic, they lost their popular support. Instead of that, the people, they started to support the conservatives and that led to the dictatorship in Germany. Clear? And the Weimar Republic, a newly formed democracy. Okay, it was a newly formed democracy that was not able to overcome the political instability existed. What were the political changes occurred there or political radicalism? In one side, the Weimar Republic, they wanted to form a democratic form of the government. At the same time, the Weimar Republic, they were opposed by the revolutionaries. And these revolutionaries, they formed the Spartacist League. Listen, and they organized uprisings against the Weimar Republic. And this was formed, or the Spartacist League, that was formed on the basis of the Bolshevik Revolution in Russia. And they wanted a Soviet-style government in Germany. And the Soviets saw workers and sailors that were established in different cities of Germany. And the Weimar Republic, they crushed the uprisings organized by the Spartacist League. They got the support of the war veterans organization known as Free Corps. With the support of this Free Corps, they crushed the rebellion or uprisings organized by the Spartacist League. But the Spartacist League, they became so angry and what did they do? And they formed the Communist Party of Germany. Listen, and this political instability that led to the rise of Hitler in Germany. We can discuss economic crisis faced by Germany in 1923. We already discussed one of the main reasons for this economic crisis. That was Versailles Peace Treaty. Due to that, Germany lost its overseas colonies, its territories, as well as its natural resources, and it was forced to pay the war compensation also. Listen, and Germany took war loans, and to repay these war loans, they used the German gold. This caused for the depletion of the German gold, and German gold reserves were depleted, and Germany refused to pay the war compensation. Because of that, what happened that France, one of the country of this allied power, they occupied the leading industrial area of Germany, that was Ruhr. Listen, one of the famous or the important industrial area of Germany that was taken by France to claim the gold. And to overcome this, what did Germany do? To overcome this economic trouble, Germany printed the currency recklessly. Are you thinking this is the best solution to overcome the economic crisis? No. Then if we printed the currency recklessly or without any limit, what will happen? Yes, okay. The value of money decreasing. At the same time, the price increase. And here, what happened? The value of German mark or German currency that decreased. Listen, example. In April, then the US dollar that was equal to 24,000 marks. But in July, again the value of money decreased and it was equal to 3,53,000 marks, and in August it was again reduced, and December again reduced, and it reached to 9 crore 86 lakhs. Clear? That much of reduction in the value of money. The value of mark collapsed and at the same time the price increased, and this led to hyperinflation in Germany. What is meant by hyperinflation? The value of money decreasing and the price increasing. Listen, so the German people, to buy a piece of bread, they carried a cart full of money. Listen, then that much of reduction in the value of money and increase in the price of food items. Clear? In this situation, by seeing these economic troubles of Germany, then USA, they felt sympathy to Germany and they introduced a plan that was known as DERS plan. Listen, as per this plan, USA decided to give financial assistance to Germany. Then in Germany, there was an economic stability with the support of USA. Clear? Okay, now let us revise what did we discuss today. But first of all, we discussed that how did the First World War affect Germany and Europe. Europe, it turned to be a continent of debtors. Listen, and then in Germany, there formed a new democracy by Weimar Republic. And there existed the political instability and the troubles faced by the soldiers. Clear? Then we discussed the political changes. Listen, political changes, one side Weimar Republic, then the same time the formation of the Spartacist League. And the Spartacist League demanded for Soviet-style government. Listen, and Weimar Republic, they crushed the uprisings of whom? The Spartacist League. And then in this situation, the Spartacist League, they formed a communist party of Germany. We discussed the economic crisis. Listen, what were the causes of economic crisis? Then Germany took war loans and they used their gold resources to repay the war loan. Listen, and another cause, one of the famous industrial area of Germany, that was Ruhr, it was occupied by France. Listen, to overcome this economic trouble, Germany printed money recklessly. This caused for one, reducing the value of money and increasing the prices that led to hyperinflation. Clear? And then USA introduced the DERS plan to support Germany because they felt sympathy to Germany. Okay children, I hope all of you understood. Don't forget to complete the notes. You have to read the textbook thoroughly and prepare the notes. Okay.